At Audley, we specialize in providing professional, comprehensive printing solutions to help global clients elevate their brand value. We focus on quality and innovation, meticulously crafting products designed to meet the diverse needs of customers worldwide. With 28 years of expertise, we have become a trusted brand in the digital printing industry. Our journey began in 1997, and since then, we have continuously evolved to meet market demands through innovation and excellence. Our strong international presence is backed by extensive export experience. We cater to key markets in North America, South America, Eastern Europe, and the Middle East, with an overseas warehouse in the United States. Our 82,000 square meter facility operates as a professional digital inkjet printer solution provider, integrating processing, R&D, and sales. We invest heavily in independent design and development, gather customer feedback, update operating systems, and select top-tier supply chains to deliver cost-effective products. With full industrial chain capabilities, including sheet metal, machining, spray molding, and wooden crate production, our workshops work seamlessly to offer one-stop premium services and solutions. We run 10 production lines and offer over 50 proprietary SKUs, ensuring precision and efficiency at every stage. Our 2,000 square meter showroom sets the benchmark for the digital printing industry. Our product range includes DTF printers, UV DTF printers, sublimation textile printers, eco-solvent printers, UV printers, heat presses, and sublimation banner printers. To remain competitive in a fast-changing market, we hold ISO, CE, ASGIS, ECM, and EU representative certifications. Through participation in 20 high-quality exhibitions annually, we continuously expand our brand influence. We offer customized solutions from colors and logos to specialized functions. Supported by a robust after-sales system, we provide one-on-one technical support, on-site services, and a 1-year product warranty, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. Behind every innovation is our team of over 400 professionals in R&D, sales, and after-sales service. With 24/7 expert support and millimeter-level precision, we showcase the power of Chinese ingenuity, making the world witness the innovative strength of Made in China. Audley, China advertising equipment professional manufacturer.